Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Wasemzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Guys, as long as actually is ngato, and some people were still in disbelief ukuthi hayibo, really kanjani manje, because Gail was live somewhere last week or this week, early this week, and went in my video inqwaba even last week when the video lengi uploaded whereby she was exposing Imoja Love. Sadly uMahlelo Ntabeni from umndeni has deleted herself allegedly. So bantu labaningi beva buhlungu kakhulu ngaloko. Some people are even saying ukuthi hayibo washo nje kuma videos akhe ukuthi she will never delete herself, because bantu they've been saying ukuthi girl qina, girl be strong, girl keep on exposing Imoja Love. But there were people who were saying ukuthi utikupela alithunda ngokuthi expose bantu beMoja Love. So bantu abaningi beva buhlungu ngendlela lesimanga. They are sending their condolences to the family. Into lebuhlungu kakhulu futhi ukuthi guys uMahlelo Ntabeni unebantwana and unebantwana labancane. Like it's just so sad, Nkosi yami, nangale langa lashone ngalo. Like it's so sad. May her soul rest in eternal peace. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Na video yakhe layende last week whereby she was exposing Imoja Love. And something lengimangalisa guys, if uya ku TikTok account yakhe la bekaposta khona ama videos akhe exposing Imoja Love, onke lama video they are gone. But lamanye ama videos akhe nama picture khona, but lama video la beka expose khona Imoja Love awasekho onke. Do you think khona lokushaya mandi kulendzaba? Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.
Zoba inkinga yokuthi ngifune i-payment edouble and then bangisendele baqala ukungiropa lapho. Ngicale ngacommunicate noJulia. Lana it's a personal things ebengimsharela zona ukuthi why I need money. Nasibona isithombe saka mama besesibhedlela la. Kanti same week kuzoya usisi wami Margaret. Lo nimbona escreenini. Yabona. So guys, I'm pissed off. Cabanga ngikwatile. Yazi manje ngikwatise yini? Ngikwatise ukuthi ngibona lezi. Manje sengikwatisa yiloko. Mara nani this thing lena mani niyayibona. Akukhonakala ukuthi bangangiropa and then bona bangabaropi. Bona bababhadela. At the same time bayenza video bathi bona ba right neMoja Love. Then shuthi kuhlanya mina. Okay fine, mina ngifuna imali yami engiyisebenzele. Kunandaba mina ukuthi bakhulumani ku social media. Mina ku social media ngikhuluma izinto iMoja Love eziyenza abasebenzi. So mina ngithi bangibhadala imali yami bahlukane nami. And umama ushilo ku video athi akasafuni ukungibona escreen even if ama clip wa previously years. Awakangiyenzeli ifoko le lifeini. Abangani bami basebenza kwamanye ama channel within 2 months to 3 months ba drive ama Range Rover bahlala kuma apartment. Angifuni ukukhuluma imphiri ngoba nangibona ukuthi ngihlakaniphe njani. Nangibona ukuthi ngikhona ukurecorda izinto njani. Kuningi engikwazi ngabo. Angifuni ukulwa nabo futhi. Kuningi. Angifuni ukubulalisa nabantu abangiphi information.
Hello, South Africa. I'm getting you, my friends. I'm getting you, my people. I'm here, my darling.
Udabula bamthole adlowa iMoja Love, but uba nama upset down now because of inkinga esihlangabezana nazo. Angeke ngize ngizishare unomlomo wakhe njengoba asho ukuthi uright. So ukhona ukunderstanda into umuntu abamenzisa yona. Mzansi You watching Moja Love because of you believe that they are helping people. And you wishing that, especially nabantu abadala emakhaya nibukela iMoja Love, you wishing that isizwe sishintshe. Sizoshintsha kanjani? Mabayenza thina abasebenzi babo izinto ezikanje. Sizoshintsha kanjani? Angifuni ukuya kwamanye ama-show ukuthi kwenzakalani kungayenzakalini. Otherwise asizo zonke iy'lima la emhlabeni. Kunabantu abathi mababukile kumabonakude babona ukuthi something is off here. Angizelanga ukuzobagceka mina, ngifuna imali yami njengalaba bathi bona ba-happy baholile. And then uma sekunemzwela ngithi uthe wathi everyone obekasebenza naye bazobabhadala kahle, inkinga kube ne-problem nyane ofisini. Thina ukuthi inkinga seyilungisekile sesibona ngabo ukuthi baholile ba-happy. Thina ebesisebenza nabo ke si-informiwa nini, eyethu imali siyithola nini kanjani? Guys, ngikhuluma ngedate yanamhlanje. I-17 namhlanje December 2025. Mina imali ayikaphelelanga. So my update now ukuthi like ngifila ngathi enhle ngiya kude until ngiyithola imali yami. Nginikhombe ukuthi sengiyofika kuphi manje. Okay, let me show you ukuthi manje sengiyakuphi. Ngivule WhatsApp yami. Angihlalanga kuphela. Ngifuna ukubakhomba ukuthi this thing it's eating me, iyangidla kubuhlungu. Awusubani nobani ongafuni ukusebenzela mahala guys. Seningamani ni-comment ngendlela ni-comment ngayo. And mina ngeke nize ningibhule. Angeke mina ngizibulalela ukuthi ngiyatrend. Ngizitrendisile mina because ngifuna ukulwela ama-rights wami. Mina nalaba benginabo asiseparateanga, nabo basafuna ukuzilwela. Inkinga ukuthi inhliziyo zethu azifani. Okunye ake ngikhone ukushare i-information enengi because why? If you share something bayizwa bayagijima bayobribe labo bantu labo. Kufana nama-broadcast amanengi. I only left with broadcast A1 engithembele kuyo ukuthi bangibekele i-date yaka January, and uJanuary it's around the corner. And lapho zabe ngakhulumi ngomndeni ukuthi bangirobhile nani. Ngizonibusela emuva. Kukibo ukuthi bayangibhadala nini or njani, but imali yami ngiyayifuna yona, cabanga. Guys, ngihamba kude nge-information. Ngifuna imali yami. That's why ngihamba kude so nge-information. Ningamangali mayiningizwa. Guys, ngihamba kude mina ngikhamba kude. Like ngikhamba kude. La ngeke niphe i-information e-deep ukuthi ngithola ubani kanjani. Angisho niyazi ukuthi thina siqualify ukubhadala ama-lawyer, but mina soon uJanuary uselele nga 2 weeks ukuthi afike. Mina angisho sonke sinefamily esithandayo, sinabangani abasithandayo. So mina I'm going far, ngifuna imali yami. I'm going far, ngifuna imali yami. Bese kube yilezi ke zokuthi ngizamile kaningi ukubafonela, ngizamile kaningi ukukhuluma nabo, but bona bangirejecta. Sale wabona ubhala i-message ku WhatsApp izibe yi-5, umuntu angakuphenduli. Lo muntu uyazi ukuthi wenzani yena. Bathi into ilungisiwa ngomlomo iphinde ihlale ngomlomo, but kibo akusinjalo. Kibo akusinjalo. Ibo. Yabona. I-date ithini? 23 October. Ngikhuluma noLivuwane. Bathi kuthenga umama umthima kabafonela athi vele nitshela ukuthi umntwana mani impateli. Bara kulelele rena musi. Guys, sekumele nyenze ithini elisuka la eMloto umtato uyofika eJozi cause bona amafoni wabo abatholakali kibo maceda bafuna ukwenza iblame bathi mina angifuni ukukhuluma nabo. Kuyakhonakala ukuthi ungahlala ungafuni ukukhuluma nabantu abakukolodayo. So guys, ama-video lawa ngiwayenza because of ngibone ama-video kaMaseko noDabula. Bathi bona ba-happy. Mina ngisi-happy mina angisi-happy. Mhlambe ningathi ngimuhle. Vele mawusekhaya kini uzoba muhle because there is no place like home. So home sweet home. Otherwise, angikho happy. Bengifuna unikhomba ukuthi bengizama ukucommunicate nabantu beMoja Love before ngiya ku-social media. Bangifeyila. Ngazama ukubonisana nomama. Mama mangizomenzisa i-video bengifuna ngimele otherwise akayi-understand i-TikTok. But ngimbuzile ngathi uzizwa njani ngami? Mama, bangene la ekhaya, bacela ukusebenza nami, ngibaphe lokho engibapha kona and then ekugcineni bangenze so. Angifuni ukukhuluma iphiri. Angifuni ukusho ukuthi ubani une-content, ubani akana-content. Eyami content kanje, but the only truth engizonitshela yona. Mina eyami content is for really. Ayikho into yamanga engiyenzayo lapha. Nale season, this 2 season le bengisele kuyo le. Bengasahlali noMaseko, that's the only truth. But izinto ebezenzeka, izinto bezisayenzeka between mina naye. My DNA result was true. And the reason why was true. Njengoba sekangigabisela nge-girlfriend entsha. Nginandaba nayo mina. Ibhebhi wawuye. And lezi engizibonile uzohlangabezana nazo. Bafika i-DNA kantabise ngathi uMaseko umsulwa abantu beMoja Love. Still zange ibe ne-problem. Because mina umsebenzi wami otherwise bengiwuthanda benginganandaba nokuthi ubani uthini nge-content yami. Because bengihola kunganankinga between mina nabo. Kuningi. So mina ngiyanicela guys. Dear Obritao, can you please go to the boardroom and sit with your people? Ningibhatale. Inkinga ezenzakele njengoba bengichazela uDabula ku-part 1 ukuthi kuyafana labantu sibasebenzele kahle. Ama-problems bekaba nama-producer baza emsebenzini bayaphuza ikhumbi igcwele ama-savana ama-black label. Bafika ngo-2 kuyoceda ukushuta ngaboma-7 ama-content ayi-3. Naba ngeke ngize ngisho ngithi abobani nabobani, but mina at the other side ngiblame bona ukuthi ishow isalele emuva ibe nokucala phansi yenzeni. Ngiblame mina abantu baka Obritao laba abachashile ukuthi bamsebenzele. Ngiblame bona ngifila ngathi ibe basibusele emuva. uMaseko noDabula nginandaba nabo futhi anginankinga nabo, but okwenzeka kimi nakubo kuzoyenzeka ngoba basele bona basazochubeka basebenze nabo. uMaseko bekakhona ukulwa nami esetini. Yazi indoda esesenesikhwele alwe nami esetini, bambhekile ama-producer bafona indaba yofika e-ofisini. Namhlanje mina ngiyenzeni bangangibhadali? ngiyenzeni mina? Hayibo, nangihlezi ngizikhulumela abantu asifani vele mina nalamathalente wami bengisebenza nawo asibelethwa umama oyi-1 so yiloko bengifuna ukuni-update ngakho South Africa. And okunye futhi uThemba wekibodabula angimphushanga ngechokara or ngemvubu ngathi yenza ivideo. Ube interested makabona ivideo yami njengoba ngizwisa ama-record wami noDouble ukuthi besicoca. Wavela sekithi kimi uSester ungitshelile ukuthi uyayivova. Ithi nami ngiyenza ivideo because angithandi the way kwenzeka ngakhona usisi wami akaboni. Ngathi that's why ngingakamfaka ngosisi wakho because ngimbonile ngathi igwala. So dear my fan bantu bam eningithandayo, ngiyabonga isupport yenu. Aniphelanga moya nanoma bebakhomenta ngendlela ebakhomenta ngayo ngami. So ngiyabonga. I know ukuthi ngikoloda ama-content we-TikTok, hayi womndeni, hayi weMoja Love. I know very well ukuthi ngikoloda impilo yami, my normal life ukuthi ngiphila kanjani. Ngisafuna ukudila nalesimo ngize ngibe right. Okay. Lana kune information